Hey everybody, it's Erica the Stylist, and I wanted to do something different. Today I'm going to do my first DIY. Watch me as I build my garden box. It's pretty funny.
There are screws. I can pass them if you need them.
I gathered some wood from Home Depot. I borrowed a drill from my dad, and pleasantly surprised, there was a bit that matched the screws inside of the box. Who knew? Anywho, I'm trying to figure this out, and I basically need to assemble the wood and put the screws in. This should be fun.
A garden box? A big box?
You in the way to camera.
Sorry. Oopsie.
Be careful. At this point, I was really struggling to get the screw to stand still. This is harder than it looks. Okay, this is take 2. Third time's a charm, right? Okay, so I'm getting a little bit better at this, and I probably should have did a little more research when it came to like keeping the wood in place, maybe having somebody there to hold the wood for me, but I'm one of those independent married women who can do everything in her head without help. Yeah, I need to stop. The plan was for this to be really simple. I'm just making a square box, but at this point I'm sweating. I keep dropping the screws. I've split the wood twice. I'm like, man, I need a C-clamp or another pair of hands. And my kids, they're not really trying to help. Yeah, this is exactly what I mean when I say it's harder than it looks. Like, the goal is to try not to split the wood, but I kept splitting the wood. Then I'm like, how do I get this screw out of here? But I seen a button on the side. I'm like, let me push that. Maybe it'll reverse it. And it did. Okay, by now you would have thought that I was building a house, but I am finally on the fourth side, and I enlisted my 8-year-old to hold the wood for me because I needed an extra pair of hands. And he's like trying to cover up his ears because it's loud when I screw it. Anywho, he was able to hold it for me, and I got it in there. Yes. Yay, my box is complete. I have 4 sides. Happy dance and get a thumbnail, girl. But this was not super easy, but pretty easy. Once I got the hang of how to use a drill, it really is a power tool. I was able to complete it. And you can do it too. I use screws, a drill, and some wood. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for me planting my garden.